More than 3 years after Brittany Higgins alleged on the project that she had been raped, the defamation case stemming from that broadcast has come to an end. As a result of the inconclusive criminal trial, Mr. Lehrmann remains a man who has not been convicted of any offense, but he has now been found, by the civil standard of proof, to have engaged in a great wrong, Judge said. The former Liberal staffer lost the defamation case he brought against Network 10 and Lisa Wilkinson, with Justice Michael Lee finding on Monday that on the balance of probabilities, Lehrmann raped Brittany Higgins on the minister's couch in Parliament House in 2019. Lehrmann vehemently denied the allegations and pleaded not guilty to 1 count of sexual intercourse without consent. An initial trial was aborted due to jury misconduct. But Monday's decision in the defamation case will not be the end of the long-running saga. The night in March 2019 when Higgins alleges she was raped has spawned more than a dozen legal cases, judicial inquiries, reviews, and federal investigations. Some have been suspended, but many are still ongoing. Having lost the case, Lehrmann now faces a potentially large legal bill. The case will be back in court on Monday, the 22nd of April, for a hearing on costs, where Lehrmann may be ordered to pay 10's legal bill, possibly to the tune of $8 million on top of his own. Some are haunted by the compensation paid to the victim. The documents show that Higgins received $2.445 million, more than half of which was in respect of her loss of earning capacity, as well as legal costs, medical expenses, domestic assistance, and $400,000 for hurt, distress, and humiliation suffered by Ms Higgins. One of these retired judges, Kenneth Martin, formerly of the Western Australian Supreme Court, told the paper, "How does she keep the $2.445 million settlement amount, which was paid on the basis not of whether she was raped or not, but in terms of the so-called oppressive or bullying or inappropriate conduct that she was exposed to in the aftermath of the incident? If those facts are false, which the judge has found some of them were, then the basis for the payment is undermined." Waiting for the outcome.